They're about as close to American royalty as it gets. One of the most famous couples, yet they have successfully kept their private life well private. Here's everything we know about Jay-Z and Beyoncé's love story, from their first date to their secret wedding. Plus, if you're a true fan, you already know their relationship has been littered with cheating rumors. But let's back up a bit to where it all started, on a plane to Cancun. Yup, the Destiny Child singer met her future husband at 18 when they sat next to each other on a plane to Cancun. Jay-Z even rapped about it on his song, Everything Is Love. He says, "Fate had me sitting next to you on the plane, and I knew straight away." They met, and a year later, their relationship went from platonic to romantic. They went out on dates, and Jay-Z once joked that he had to wine and dine her. Though at this time, they were trying to convince the world that they were not dating. However, their chemistry couldn't be denied. They began to collaborate and released their first track together in 2002 called '03 Bonnie and Clyde, and followed that up with the Grammy-winning track Crazy in Love the following year. The lyrics dropped hints and gave fans a glimpse into their secret relationship, and they were crazy in love. In 2004, Beyoncé and Jay-Z made their red carpet debut at the MTV VMAs, confirming their relationship status, though at this point, people pretty much assumed they were together anyway. They had been spotted kissing and cuddling everywhere. But soon after, rumors started to circulate that Jay-Z was hooking up with Rihanna, his protege. And Beyoncé released 2 songs, Ring the Alarm and Resentment, allegedly about this affair. And it didn't help that Jay-Z also released the track, Lost One, and the lyrics alluded to their relationship being on the rocks. But apparently, they let bygones be bygones. And just 4 years after confirming their relationship, the lovebirds tied the knot in a super secret private ceremony at Jay's apartment. And it just keeps on getting better for these two. In 2011, Beyoncé announced they were about to embark on another milestone. She's pregnant. But of course, people refused to leave them be. And this announcement sparked a conspiracy theory that B wasn't actually with child, that instead, she was wearing a fake baby bump. Regardless, Beyoncé and Jay-Z became first-time parents when they welcomed daughter Blue Ivy Carter on January 7, 2012. Let's fast forward a few years to the infamous elevator fight after the Met Gala. Footage surfaced of Beyoncé's sister Solange hitting Jay-Z in an elevator while B stood by and did nothing. Things got heated. Trouble in paradise? What triggered this? Keep in mind, this comes a year after rumors of an alleged affair with Rita Ora, and it was also speculated that Solange was upset at Jay for his infidelities, plural, and specifically with Rachel Roy. The pair publicly apologized to each other a week later, and even though Jay-Z eventually came out and admitted that he was unfaithful, the power couple put the incident behind them and moved forward. Beyoncé even sang about it and hinted at his infidelity in her album Lemonade, which incited an immediate witch hunt for Becky with the good hair. And Jay addressed it on his 444 record. After new albums and working on their marital problems, Beyoncé announced via an Instagram post that she was pregnant again. And this time, they were expecting twins. The post broke the record for most liked photo in the social network's history. And in June 2017, they welcomed daughter Rumi and son Sir. In recent years, the power couple released a joint album called Everything Is Love, and Beyoncé debuted her second visual album, Black is King, which featured cameos by Jay-Z and their 3 children. The duo also starred in a romantic ad campaign for Tiffany & Company, in which Beyoncé wore a figure-hugging black gown, and she became the first black woman ever to wear the iconic 128 54-karat yellow Tiffany diamond necklace on her décolletage. It was once said that Beyoncé and Jay-Z are the epitome of the modern love story. Such a true statement. With more than 20 years of love between them, and hopefully many more, they are truly the definition of couple goals.
I'm already rolling up and I'm feeling some type of way. Cause I'm really with the excess. Come on, let's play. Can we get it going? Can we get it going? I'm already rolling up and I'm feeling some type of way. Cause I'm really with the excess. Come on, let's play. Slow it down now, baby. Slow it down now, baby. Now I know that it's your life, but I guess I can start cause I already had 9. Capri in your baby. Angel Envy, maybe. It's 3 a.m. and we just getting started. Party man coming with a baggie full of marvelous. I know what I look like. Bugging with these youngins when the kickback you right. You don't want no problems, I don't want no hangover. You can't get no poly if you ain't no soldier. Dreadlock your pasta, not all these rasta. Girls wanna have fun, I'ma get you 2 nights. Absinthe and 2 ice cubes. Listen in the live crew, watch me freak now. I couldn't court you cause you're on too many drugs. And I know the difference, I don't mistake it for love. We off in the tee up and had the time of our life. And please don't kill my vibe, it's a lot. I am a rapper chick, I got morals and standards. Show me you're incredible, it's more for the canvas. I am a scientist, I'm a hell of a mind of a chef grubbing. You will not regret sugar, blue cheese, buffalo, roasted. Garden full of goodies, we saute, smoke, eating really good, I'm about that action. Diner with a goddess, it's satisfaction. I just love her, shindig crucial. Get in with me and you ascend it, brutal. Love her, you can never recover. Come and get a scoop of this honey lover.
Squash, spinach, broccoli, kale, could be off the poppies or the chart too wavy. Only thing I do not want is mushrooms and baked beans. Won't apologize for being so tame. Sipping on a 40, you adore me, I'm a champion. Excess user, poops in the basket. Tip your hat if you know that you can slam. Get turned in the mug, write a whole new album. Make no mistake, it's a tedious game when you planning to bloom. But I know just how to handle my thoughts, so I flow through the moments and get in my zone. Playing at new levels, I'm feasting, I'm eating my spirit potential, I know. Just learn to build a whole garden, now get with your mind cause there's powers involved. Empower the soul to devour it all, nature calling you home. Insist that you answer, never pretend that you don't want your life. And you should treat your body right, open your sacrum. Rap what you can, but can get you aligned. Whether it's drugs or coke.
You ain't on my swag, you ain't on my swag. You ain't on my swag, swag radar. You ain't on my swag, you ain't on my swag. You ain't on my swag, swag radar. You ain't on my swag, you ain't on my swag. You ain't on my swag, swag radar.
I've been awake for days, 96 hours straight. My vision blazes and merges with my mind state. This is the rapture now. I have been captured now by something holy. I've been awake for days, 96 hours straight. This is the rapture now. I have been captured now. I'm hardly breathing and my body is pleading. and it blows my